Hey, Mike Smith here with MDS Success Academy, and in this video I want to talk to you about my experience with the One Funnel Away Challenge Week 1. So I'm recording this on Saturday, which is officially the catch-up day. So we've completed the first week, and so just what you get for your $100 is you get your workbook. That's awesome. You also get everything on a flash drive, all the forums, all kinds of other bonuses and goodies. And then I had it around here somewhere. But you get a book about written by people who have sales funnels, who've done well in ClickFunnels. If they lost everything, they had to start again, what would they do in 30 days? And so the whole idea of the One Funnel Away is you step by step go through the process of creating a product that you can use on ClickFunnels to sell. So, so you get the idea of how Russell and his team go through and create a product and then create a funnel and sell it. And so the process, One Funnel Away, starts with it's called pre-training, and it's like with everything new, when you first buy it, you're like, oh, this is going to be great, and then the box comes and you see it's a workbook and it looks like you're reading, and there's all kinds of things that you have to do, and you start to go, oh gosh, it's not a magic bullet that I open the box and it is not that. So we spend the first week kind of working on ourselves, on our beliefs of what we're doing and that we can do it. That's the biggest thing. We can do this. And so the first 5 days before the challenge starts, that's what you go over. So, and then Monday, we had the first go around, and the first week is all focused on creating an offer. What are we going to offer people who come to our website? So start off, we want to have them opt in. We're always building an email list, but we want them to opt in for a lead magnet, something free that's valuable enough to them, the person coming to our site, that they'll trade their email address for whatever we're offering. And then once they're done, they'll go on to a sales page where we'll offer something that is connected to that lead magnet. And then we go on to a one-time only offer. And so what we've completed is the ideas for what is the opt-in, what is on the sales page, and what is on the one-time offer page. And then we've also written what the name of it is, what the offer stack and how we describe it. And and they encourage us now, we're supposed to spend this time creating the actual items that you're going to give away, whether it's an ebook, whether it's a report, funnels, videos, whatever it is, you are going to, you need to be making that. And that's what I'm doing this weekend is I'm making videos, I'm making reports. I have contracted with a graphic designer to work on the logo for what I'm offering, and then the visual description of all the products and such that you see. So I'm trying to, as suggested by the team at ClickFunnels, to be as professional as I can in what I'm offering. And I know as an architect, I could probably put something together that looks okay, but you know what? I don't want to do that. That's not why I'm getting in this business. I'm getting in this business to start funnels on programs that I love and use, that I can offer and sell to other people, and doesn't take all my time. Now, whether it morphs into a coaching program, I don't know. But that's not, I'm not here to do everything. There are people who do it better. They can do it better, cheaper, and much more efficient than me. and I can focus on getting the online business going and then go back to what I love to do, which is architecture. So week 1, I have my offer. I know what I need to create for people who are coming on my site. I have the written verbiage of my offer stack, which that's obviously going to be plugged in eventually to a ClickFunnels sales page and such. And I can't wait for week number 2. So as always, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below. I'd love to hear from you. We can connect on my Facebook page, MDS Success Academy, and there'll be a link below for that. So until next time, to your success.